Hi there! I'm Anna from Make Your Puzzles. Today, I want to show you how to make your own custom puzzle with a few clicks of a button. Let's go through this simple process step by step. The first step is to select your favorite puzzle size and piece count. Currently, we offer 4 different puzzle sizes. The 1000-piece puzzle, our 500-piece, the 260-piece, and our 100-piece puzzle. Let me show you how this will look on your screen at home. Here we are in the Custom Puzzle Collection page where you can select your favorite custom puzzle size. Let's say you would like to make your own 500-piece custom puzzle. Just click on the image or the puzzle name. Great! Now the 500-piece custom puzzle page opens. This product page has a ton of additional information available. Okay, now it's time to make your own puzzle. Click on the Make Your Puzzle button, and the online custom puzzle maker will open. We are now in the online puzzle maker. Let's get started. Upload your favorite picture by clicking on the Upload Files button. Select your picture from your device and upload it. Once your picture is uploaded, you can simply drag and drop it to the puzzle area on the right. The picture automatically will snap into place, and our puzzle maker always centers the image first, but you can position the image as you'd like. Once you positioned your picture, you can modify it if you'd like to. There are multiple image filters available, and you also can adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation of your image separately. This is all optional, so feel free to skip this step if you're happy with your image the way it is. Our online puzzle maker will check your image resolution once it is positioned. So in case your image resolution is too low, an alert sign will be displayed on your image. Remember, a clear and sharp image is the foundation of a beautiful puzzle. We are now at the point where you can further customize your puzzle. This step is optional. So if you don't want to add a personal text or message to your puzzle, just skip this step. For those who want to add a personal text or message, just click the text button in the left-hand menu. Now type in your text or message. You can select different font types, font sizes, colors, and styles. You can position your text wherever you like. In addition, you also can add a clip art or other graphics to the puzzle. All customization options are positioned at the left-hand menu. Excellent! You just finished your puzzle design. Good job! Before we proceed to the final step, let's carefully review your puzzle design. Check if your picture is positioned to your liking, and that important aspects of your picture and text are not cut off. If you are happy with the overall design, then let's start the final step. Okay, this is the third and final step of how to make your custom puzzle. Just for your information, if you choose not to customize your puzzle box, you will receive our standard custom puzzle box design, which is very pretty. Customizing your puzzle box is simple. Just choose your puzzle box design first by clicking on the Change Box Design button. Now select your favorite design. You will see a preview of your selected design, and you can make changes on the fly. Once you've selected your puzzle box design, you still have more customization options available. You can add a text or message to the puzzle box. You also could add a clip art or even another picture to the box lid. So be creative. That's it. You have designed your own custom puzzle. Great job! Now, once you are happy with your puzzle and box design, just click on the Confirm button in the upper right-hand corner and start the checkout process. So lay back and relax, and in a few days, you will receive your very own unique custom puzzle. Well, that was simple and a lot of fun. You made your own custom puzzle in 3 simple steps. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.